I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed.
Okay, just to review extended division, we have this problem here. 95 divided by 5. So let's go through the steps. First, you see how many 5s there are in 9. We can have 1. So we will place a 1 here. Now you times 1 and 5, and you get 5. Now you have to subtract the 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. After finishing that, you must bring down this 5 from here. And notice that our numbers, our digits in the quotient, are in the proper place value lined up with our dividend. So we bring the 5 down. Now we see how many 5s are in 45. And there are 9. 9 times 5 is 45. You subtract those two, and you get 0. So we do not have a remainder. The problem is, not in all division problems are they equally divided. Sometimes we will have a remainder. And when we begin making our problems in the book and solving in the book asks for 2 types of remainders. The kind that we learned from the video, and that is a review where you put an R and the number, which is a remainder, but also as a fraction.
Ice, baby. Alright, stop, collaborate and listen.
Whoa, stop, time out. You don't remember what a fraction is? That's okay, neither did I had to look it up, that's why we'll talk about it. A fraction is equal parts of a whole. And you have 2 parts of a fraction. The numerator, which is the top part here, it tells you how many fraction pieces you have. And the denominator, it is the number on the bottom, and it tells you how many fractions make up the whole. So there you go. We have this problem, 14 divided by 3. How many 3's are in 1? There are none. So you can either put a 0 in the tens place or a small x, or you could leave it blank. I prefer a small x. Now, how many 3's are in 14? We look at this number as a whole, and we know that there can be 4. So now we multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. So we have the quotient for remainder of 2. Now, this is one way the book will ask you to answer your problem. There is another way where you take the remainder 2, which would be the numerator, and then you take the divisor and put it as the denominator. So you can just put a slash, the division, and the 3. So it's basically the same thing. You're just taking the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. And that is how you solve division problems with remainders in 2 ways, with the R or with a fraction.